Good evening. My name is Trent Howard, and this is my infographic on organic farming. It is an overview of my critical thinking paper. So today I'll be talking about the focus of my infographic, the claim and thesis of my paper, the significance and benefits of my claim, extra fun facts, the benefits of switching, and the references following all of this. So my focus is on organic farming and its benefits compared to the conventional way of farming, whereas the conventional way is old-fashioned and traditional, whereas organic farming is the upcoming and new method of farming. So my claim is organic farming is a solution for the food shortage because it allows for larger crop yields and less impact on the environment in turn. So what this means is that with traditional and conventional farming, they don't exactly know how much food will be produced because of the variables that the environment has on it, whether that be climate, whether it be rainfall, or even the soil if it'll produce crop that year. And also with the environment, the conventional and traditional methods of farming use pesticides and other type of chemicals that impact the environment negatively, whereas organic farming does not use as much, if any, which in turn allows it to benefit the environment in the long run. So the significance and benefits of this: organic farming offers larger crop yields, can withstand harsher environments, can go without water for longer periods of time, and no need for pesticides and chemicals. Now, this was all retrieved from the interview that I was able to find on the internet through, there was around 5 panelists that talked about their processes of organic farming and the benefits that they have found, and not only that, but the processes they have went through to be successful on how they are currently. So it offers larger crop yields because of the way they're able to engineer and modify their farms, where conventional does not allow for that because they're more susceptible to the weather. And organic farming can withstand harsher environments, such as areas that experience drought or excessive rainfall, whereas they're able to control that compared to, like I said, conventional. And there's no need for pesticides and chemicals because of the way they do their planning. One of the panelists that's from Canada stated that he had been able to specifically plant the crops in a certain way, whereas the weeds and the animals would not interfere, where in conventional the need for pesticides is to reduce the amount of insects that cause harm and damage to the crops. Now, some extra fun facts about the farming is that it provides a vast amount of nutritional value. Now, the plants also contain more carbon in the soil, which aids in the fight against climate change. Pesticides are not as needed compared to conventional farms, and it also decreases nitrate leaking into the environment. Now, that specific fact is a boost to the environment because without all this nitrate leaking into the environment, it is in turn keeping that nitrate from it and not allowing it to harm and damage the surrounding environments, whether that be streams, trees, or other life forms such as animals. Now, some of the benefits of switching from the conventional to organic farming is that organic farming is cleaner, it has less wasteful of products, is less impact on the land, and the government is funding it and some of the research behind it. Now, this was pulled from a Poland study. So the government funding and research. Now, obviously, since organic farming has been around for a very long time, but it is now starting to ramp up in both research and also practice. Now with this, the government's funding special farms to switch over from conventional to this organic farming method because of the less impact on the environment, the cleaner air that it produces, the less wasteful products because of how traditional and conventional farming have their methods. And this is my list of resources. Thank you and have a good day.